Shalom Excel fam.
Hi everyone, this is Danielle Frost from the cohort of 2016.
Hey everyone, it's Rebecca.
Hey guys, it's Justin.
Hi everyone, it's Casey Hertan here from the Excel 2018 cohort.
We've all been completely rocked to our cores as to what's been happening in Israel for the last week.
It's been such a crazy time and so hard for all of the Excellers. Globally, watching from afar.
I can't imagine what you're going through right now.
It feels like an existential crisis for Jews around the world, and what you guys are doing is really bigger than just a fight for Israel. It's a fight for all of us.
We are completely in awe of your resilience and your bravery, and please know that you're not alone. We are fighting the same fight with you, and we are with you in our hearts every step of the way.
We hear a lot about how the Jewish community is coming together like never before.
You have Jews all over the world standing with you, supporting Israel.
And we are doing everything we can here to support you in these efforts.
We are with you, we are supporting you, we are standing by you.
We stand with you, we support you, and we love you and Israel.
We love you. We appreciate your service and being out there protecting Israel.
You guys are amazing. We love you so much. We're constantly thinking and praying of you.
We love you.
I want to say thank you. Thank you for dropping your lives and going to serve our country, Israel, and really to protect Jews all around the world.
You have me, you have so many people across GC.